Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today for Appies with Chappy by the Lake. We're doing Chicago dogs. So a Chicago dog is topped with yellow mustard, chopped white onions, bright green sweet pickled relish, a dill pickle spear, tomato slices or wedges, a pickled sport pepper, and a dash of celery salt. And that is what's in the classic Chicago dog. So check out how they turned out, and make sure you stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake. So I got my Chicago dog. I think I did pretty close to authentic. I did a couple substitutions. I did the yellow mustard, that's important. Instead of the white onions, I got some red onions or purple onions. Got the pickle spears. Instead of the sport pepper, I got pepperoncini. It's an all beef hot dog though. And I did omit the relish. But for me, the big thing that makes a Chicago dog is the celery salt. And I got the nice ripe tomatoes. And if you like ripe tomatoes, nothing's better than a good seasoned tomato, and the celery salt works really well with the seasoned tomatoes. So I think I did a pretty good job on my Chicago dog. So cheers, and thanks for joining me for Appies with Chappy by the Lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.